Morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, traders. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's well. Bitcoin continues to pump. Still think this area is going to reject, man. Just saying. Just saying. How are we looking here? Let's look through this shit here a little bit. Let's look through it on here, man. Yes. Still kind of looks a bit dumpy, man. I could see a pump today, though. I like this a little bit lower. I do like this a little bit lower. I don't really love that. I like this a little bit lower down here. We had a 4-hour failure here on NQ also. I do like this a little bit lower. I could be wrong though. Russell, this is probably what we're going to trade today. Wouldn't mind shorts if we get up there. They did bounce that area, yeah. What's this? Yeah, they bounced it pretty hard. I do like, I don't like this. I was gonna say I like this a little bit below. This is the hourly. There is a 15-minute swing below that looks okay. Down here. Yeah, down here. Here. This looks okay. I wouldn't mind that. 312. They basically almost got there now, you know? The bottom of it is tested already. 312, 311 in that range. They basically tested it here though, so I don't know, man. You know, it's a bit difficult. A little difficult. A little bit difficult. Let's have a look through the Discord. It's the heaters this week, man. Market open in about 20 minutes. No news until Wednesday. And we got the core PCE 830 heaters on Wednesday. All right. Any big earnings? PPD Holdings. Let's have a peek through the crypto movers. Anything fancy in here? Nah, not really, yeah. That's all good. Crypto, it's like everything gained the weekly, right? So, so it's like, you know, is what it is. XRP 22% move, man. Wow. We do have some in earnings review to go through. Oh, just one. Might as well just do that now. This is retesting the weekly. Inside weekly, but let's have a look. This is retesting the weekly. BJ with mine one. This already had the move. This is late signal. This already had the move off the weekly. Yeah, it's already moved, man. I would have put that out though. I would put that out right here or underneath this. A little late on that signal. Fucking easy 10%. Just have a little look at Bitcoin. So, you know, we're in the liquidation zone or the liquidity zone. This is the weekly candle for them to fail. I would imagine we're going to see a move back towards 67. I'm still saying that, you know, our indicator still pointing up. The 4-hour indicator still pointing up. So I could see them taking this liquidity up here. My short stop is there, so we'll see if we get stopped out. That's where my short stop is, from 95. They did have an internal 4-hour close below, but it's internal, so it doesn't really count. Well, it's still up. Should be cautious here though, honestly. Like, this is the area for them to fail, so you wouldn't be wrong shorting this. But that was quite an impulse move, so I could see them taking the liquidity, right? Because our last signal is just long from here. That's huge. I can't wait to get this thing set up and working, man. It's gonna be epic. All right. Should we're on the right account here. Yes. Let's check out YM2 real quick here. Let's close this down a bit. YM rejecting. This looks like down on YM, man, too. This looks like down a little bit on YM, too. We've already done the entry though. This looks like down on all markets, man, honestly, guys. So just so you know, And YM had a move like that too. Already cleared it the liquidity, so you know, this kind of looks down to me. What's going on, cool? Morning. CL view. Down. They failed the 4-hour internal 4-hour failure. It's internal though, so bit tough. Bit tough, but it is an internal 4-hour failure. Trying to gain the hourly here. So we'll see. If they close the hourly back above this, it could continue up. This is the hourly chart up here. So if they close the hourly up here, wouldn't mind shorting even up here. Wouldn't be too bad. But they did just clear the liquidity, so the short is Bitcoin. We should be looking at Bitcoin honestly for a short. Like they just failed the 5-minute. Can we take, what do these cost, man? They're failing right now. I kind of feel like Bitcoin's going to pump it a little bit more though, you know? But overall, the short is Bitcoin, I believe. A lot of people coming out of the woodworks. A lot of YouTube videos I haven't seen, YouTube creators I haven't seen in months, you know what I mean? Pretty funny. These people, and it's in the bear market, and they said it was going to 150k when it was at 100, and then all of a sudden you don't see them for months. You know what I mean? Because we're in the bear market, they have nothing to say, you know. Pretty funny, man. Makes me laugh. They'll just come back when it pumps again and then be like, I told you so. People that are permabulls, they're never wrong, right? You should have a biased bull standpoint. You should, you know what I mean? Because like we're in a fucking 130-year bull market, so like you should have a bias to the bull side. But you need to be able to see. Even I was late to the Bitcoin. I was hanging on, man. Like when we were at 100, I still was saying I think it's gonna hold, but it didn't. When it didn't, we opened shorts, right? I don't want to trade the YM today. I don't know what I want to trade today, really. Maybe Russell on a sweep. Russell just looks like down, though. It looks like it wants to take this, you know? That's where I would be interested in Russell. Sweep of this low, or yes, it looks like it wants to sweep this. Russell looks like it could go up. They've already tagged where they need to. You know what I mean? They've tagged this. I don't think I'm going to do anything until the market opens. 10 minutes. And we'll have a look and see. I don't think I want to do anything until we like take some kind of liquidity or something, man. I think we're just chilling. We're just going to be chilling today. Just been working with AI, man, like nonstop for it's been weeks now at this point. I have like 3 different subscriptions and shit. Gold mooned? Yeah, probably. Bitcoin's ripping. Oh yeah, it's still ripping. Man, I really thought that gold was going to be a little less. That's too bad, man. I didn't get a chance to buy it. This is an untested area that we're coming into though, so this would be an area to be watching out for. Yeah, I would be watching this on gold. It's a pretty big area. Shorts coming up probably on gold. I've already failed the one. Russell just kind of looks a bit scary, man. It looks like they could dump it. I wouldn't mind shorting it on a pump. You know what I mean? If they pump it up here, I wouldn't mind shorting it. But besides that, I don't want to long in this range because it's already tested the bottom. Like this is all tested out already, right? Like it doesn't look, this is the place that you would have wanted to long it. So that's scary. And then they could take this liquidity down here. So I wouldn't mind longing down here for Russell or up here or shorting up here. That's kind of the plan for me. Short a pump above these highs. So quite a bit higher, not quite a bit, basically at the highs, 28. Yeah. So just a pump over top of these highs into here, into this area, maybe even a liquidity grab at 40, something like that. This is done, so we don't even need to have this on the chart anymore. So if they do that, we'll see. I will short that area, but I can't do anything here. Might be a no trade day, honestly. So we already put out signals for shorts, right? For Bitcoin, guys. So like if in 3 months, man, when Bitcoin's at 45K, don't come crying to me. You know what I mean? We just put out notifications. It's basically right here, right now. Stops above the weekly. if you're long from the bottom where we took trades, like we entered positions at 58, right? Like if you're long from there, now is the time to be taking profits. Some, don't take all, but yeah, some. Yeah, 67 for sure. But we'll see. It might blast through that, right? Yeah, Jay, I'm kind of in the same boat. If I do like Russell though. If Russell pumps and goes up closer to that 4-hour swing that I have marked up there, I wouldn't mind shorting. Or if they dump it and take the liquidity, I wouldn't mind longing. Those are the really only two trades that I see on Russell, and then everything else I don't really like. So might be a no trade. Okay, I can go back to trying to automate my life. What's going on, BDP? I started automating everything in my business with the AIs. I got it doing. I'm making them do the scheduling. I'm making them talk to customers. Everything, man. I'm setting it all up. It's taking me days, but after it's set up, no more dealing with this bullshit. I'm gonna have automatic scheduling. I'm gonna even have them draft up responses to customers where I just have to click approve. Yeah, that's exactly where I'm looking to. Jay, yeah, you and me think the same, exact same. Just even a sweep of this. I like it a little bit lower, but I you know, in there I can understand. I'd be a little worried about this swing because they tested the swing already, right? They tested it here. Like that was the spot to long it. With this, right? So I don't know. Is there something down there on the lower time frame? The 1 hour is tested already. They tested it, so even the 1 hour is gone. Is there something on the 5 minute? Yeah, you know, I don't really like this swing at 999. I don't really like it down here. You can see it down here, right? There's nothing. I'd rather them take the liquidity. If they bounce it, I'll just miss the trade. It's fine. Yeah, man. Everything here looks pretty already tested. You know what I mean? This whole area looks gone. Yeah. 999. They did that right here, right? So, really, it's underneath this 990. And the levels here at yeah, exactly. I don't like it. Even if it's a daily untested, I don't really like it. You're just talking about the swing test. They tested all that on the way up. But I do like it below this, you know what I mean? Like I like a liquidity sweep down here. So, you know, sweeping this, there'll probably be a trade to be had just even on a sweep of this, and see if this holds. The bottom of this is not tested. So that's not tested yet. I can inspect this swing a little bit closer. Inspect this a little bit closer. This one has a little bit of magic going. Even this one, yeah, the top of it's not. Yeah, this one has some magic. Right here. Right here at 93. Little bit of sauce. A little bit of sauce at 93. Oh, they tested that. Sorry. They tested that here. Yeah, so it's gone. Yeah, it looks like they're dumping. Here's the open anyway. I won't buy this swing, man. Like, it's just not happening, man. I think it's going to like 84, something like that. This is off. Just remove this. Kind of want to short this right here, right now, you know. Not really my kind of trade though. Yeah, you know, BDP uses the RTH levels too. I never have. I should maybe start. Look at that move. Dumping it. Might be a little reaction here, but this level is not very strong. Big sells across the board. Just have a peek in at YM here real quick. Oh, except for YM, just blasting it. Should have a look to see, is this a level to short? Is this something to short here, YM? I think so. I think we can try it short here on YM. Okay, quick out. Get two more off. Two more coming off. Three more left. Stop and profit. Thank you. Sell stop. See if we can dump this a little bit more. How's this overall look? This overall looks pretty dumpy, man, still. You know, like this could dump hard all the way down. New 4-hour lows. Down to here. Should hold runners. Come on, man. Let me get a runner one time, bro. Come on, man. Just let me have one time have a runner. You know? You ever give me a runner? Ever? I never get runners, dude. Never. Never happens for me. 133 on the day so far. Here's liquidity. See if they hold this. Yeah, I just happened to be in the chart and I was like, oh, looks like a short. I kind of feel this feels like they're gonna dump it though more, you know what I mean? It was a good test. Let's see if they can fucking fail this. I'd like to see new 4-hour lows. Probably just get stopped out like fucking always, man. Here's Russell, kind of at a level, but hey, it's not a very strong level. I'd like to see Russell just sweep the lows. I don't like this level that they're at. I won't buy it. It looks like a stop out coming. That's too bad. Just one time, bro, I'd like to have a runner. I don't want to re-add. Should I? If I re-add, I need to move my stop. And they could take the liquidity, right? This isn't really a good spot to re-add. I'd have to move my stop up here. This account's the funded account. I don't want to fuck around too much. Dump it, man. Come on, bro. Just do it, man. Don't keep buying it. Big sells across the board. So I will take PTs here if they dump it down here again. I'll take one off and then have two runners. That's kind of the idea. Maybe even here I would take two off. Probably stop out coming though. I always get stopped out, man. I don't even remember the last time I had a runner. Just dump it, man. Just do it. Just do it, bro. Dump it. Yes. It's a good idea, man. Go with your friends, man. Look at the rest of the fucking field, man. Just follow them. No need to stick out. No need to stand out. I should pull up my workers here. Get some fucking coding done here while we're streaming. Oh, stop out. Damn. Uh-oh. 149. I did add more by mistake there. But I closed it right away. Maybe this Russell holds. Maybe. It looks more down than up to me, man. Technically, this level is tested already on YM. All right, let's have a look at the other markets. If there's any other shenanigans we can get into. Bitcoin at 15-minute support. I don't think this is I think we're headed down, guys. I think it's lookout below for Bitcoin. NQ breaks the lows. Should be looking at NQ actually. Anything coming up for NQ? Oh, uh-oh. This guy. Oh, this guy right here. Oh, they're at it, basically. It is tested on the way up. I really wouldn't be interested in anything until down here. Keep having a look at YM. I guess it's really the only thing that's in any kind of position to short. If this loses again, the internal, I'll short it again. Breaking. Yeah, they're doing it. Fuckers. Russell, I don't like long in here. I'm gonna short this all the way to the 4-hour swing here. It's not looking good, boys, for my trades today. Fuck, this is just continuing, yeah? The worst. Still alive in that one. Let's just look at ES here real quick. Is there a short possibly? Yeah, I don't really love it after they take in liquidity. I still do like this YM short, and still in there. I'm gonna lighten the load here when they dump it here a bit. I like this at like new 4-hour lows, man. Really. I should just hold this trade. Good a payout. Bitcoin takes a 15-minute liquidity. We'll move off liquidity there. Russell breaking. Not short NQ now. Short NQ. Here? So again, I'd be interested in longs in Russell below this swing. Like once they make new lows, we can look for longs. Yeah, it did dump hard pretty hard, man. Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna go. Anything can do on CL? Maybe. I think I'm gonna go for a quick smoke, and then just kind of let these cook. I'll watch from outside the window. Nah, nothing on CL here. They failed. They're holding, you know. Oops. They're holding this swing. Bit tricky. They're at like a major spot for rejection, so bit hard. Five-minute failure. Let me just have a look. It's an inside failure, but yeah, I do like it too. What can you aim for that? A new all this is tested, so the first target should be down here. Down here. 84.70. Everything here is tested. The problem is they're holding on to. Oh yeah, this would be at 84.49 would be a target there. This is still untested. The bottom of this, barely. And then maybe down here, 82.24. Okay, I'll be back. Just going for a smoke. All right, anything new? No. Still underwater in this short. Gonna get stopped soon. It's unfortunate. Should have shorted the Russell. A little bit of a smackdown. I'm gonna look to lighten the load. A little bit of a smack. Got a 1 minute failure now. Yeah, no doubt. We'll see. I don't know, man. It still looks a little rough. I don't know if we will. I'm just gonna leave it though. I don't care. See if they can reject this 1 minute. I'm gonna take some off on the sweep here if they do.
Order filled.
So I took 5 off. I'm going to take 5 more off if we get a little bit lower. And then we'll just leave the rest. All right, 5 more coming off. All right, we got a decent entry now. Down 143 on the day. Not the greatest. I'm looking for lower, man. Like, I'm looking for significantly lower. Next PT should be like back at this. And then honestly, like this could easily, yeah, this is tested, so this could easily go back all the way down to here. New 4-hour low. It's essentially what I want. Next PT, I'll move stop the profit. Dude, I'd like a test on this 4-hour here, man. Another one, you know. They already tested it here, but since they tested it there and they're failing now, like this should fail. Let's go 4-hour low. New 4-hour low. Right here. Let's go 4-hour low. It's going to be all for the trading for today. Like to just get one more PT and then get the stop into profit and walk away. Come on, man, just dump it. Yeah, this is gonna, looks like it wants to go, man. Looks like it wants to dump. Bitcoin rallying off that liquidity sweep. Not bad. Looks like they still want more. I took 4. Hey, taking 4 more off here. Stop and profit for the rest. 3 left. Basically break even today. Kind of sucks, especially when I was up already. But we'll see. We might still get some juice out of this. We do have 3. We do have 3. We'll take 2 off here. And then 1 runner. Minus $52 on the day. Kind of sucks because I had the right idea, just I didn't execute that very well. It's a little early. That re-add was a little early. Should have waited a bit. So we'll let that cook. We'll let that cook, man, for a little while. Check in on my workers here. That really wasn't executed well at all today for this trading. Sorry guys, my bad. Don't really want to re-add here, as they're just bouncing a 15-minute. They could hold it. market analyzer. Sorry, man, I was just doing something else. But yeah, we can look at the market analyzer. What, was that one in the Discord? Oh. Natural gas. This one's hard. It doesn't have the good this looks good to go for higher, man, honestly. They failed, but they held this, so that's where they needed to hold. Reachieved, yeah, on any pullback into this area would be good. Taking this liquidity maybe, but any kind of pullback and reachievement on a small time frame is you're probably looking at good to go. 71 maybe in this area, the hourly retest. Something like that. Just gonna stop me out on the rest of this. I hate you, man. Just shitty day trading. Come here and make negative fucking $50. God damn it. God damn, man. I had a feeling today was not going to be good, you know. This had the chance to be good though, man. Like I had opportunities to take profits. I was up like $300 already, you know. Stupid. Let's see if YM can lose this 1 minute again, man. Come on. They're retesting the 1 minute here that they lost. So let's see. Just fucking fail, man. failing the 1 minute again here. Starting to look okay. Anything else going on here, man? I still think this dump's hard. Let's put this up a little bit into there. No, it looks like they may stop me out. The bastards. The bastards. Well, I think that's really going to be it. I'll look through some of the I'm not going to trade anymore, man. I'm just going to let this trade play out. We'll see what happens. I'm either going to get stopped out or we're going to have a runner. I'm going to leave the runner today too, man. I swear to God, I'm leaving it. Do you guys have any charts you want me to look at before I take off? Good old nifty 50. Okay, let's do it. Our indicator's still green here for Bitcoin. gained the 4 hour. Big 4 hour gap below, yeah. You know, they are at the spot to hold it. They are at the spot to hold it right here. So they're bouncing the spot. They've gained the 4 hour. They've gained the 4 hour and they're retesting it. This looks like a decent trade opportunity. So on a smaller time frame gain, this would be a decent trade opportunity for a move back up here. Stops below here. Everything's tested here too, so they could go. Like this was major liquidity, right? So it's kind of a draw on liquidity. The 4 hour move to the high has been tested, so would be decent. It would be a decent try, yeah. Cool. I'm gonna leave it there. If you guys are new, don't forget to join the Discord. Links in the description below. Peace.